Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I just got back off vacation and I don't have a video for this week, so I thought I would give you guys a tour of my craft room. On this wall, I have my main Barbie room that I do filming in. I have a shelf above it I have the bathroom stored on it, my bathroom, and then the beach hotel bathroom, and then there's part of the backyard up there. And then I have the front porch and just some random stuff that I didn't clean. Below that, hanging on the shelf, I have all of my Barbie shoes and then a few other little accessories like stuff from Temu. In these little containers I keep, like, one has purses, one has like Chelsea toys, one has the clay food. Below the main Barbie room, I have two storage bins. This one has fabric and yarn. And then this one has vinyl and some random stuff. And then I do keep scraps of foam board in between. On this wall is where I do my filming. I have just this plastic table. I keep my full sheets of foam board below it. Up here, I have a lot of my rooms. I am very short on space, so you may notice there's like random parts of other rooms stored in rooms because I just don't have room. So once again, this is where I film. I have this light hanging on. It's actually a plant hanger, but I'm able to pull it down and lock it in place. And I am adjusting the lights to show you how they normally are when I film. This little thing was just sitting there. It's a little chase. It like follows any movement, but I mainly use it to put my phone in while I'm filming so I can watch Netflix. Over here on this cabinet, I usually keep future projects. I've got some background paper. I thought I would show you the drawers. They're a little disorganized. I just throw random craft stuff in here. This one mainly has fake flowers and there's some glitter. The next one I couldn't even get open. This little basket hanging on the wall holds like the long hot glue sticks and tape and twine. I keep my shorter hot glue in this container. I got it at a yard sale, and the one underneath it, I keep the wooden coffee stirrers in. My sister-in-law Jenny got me this little Lazy Susan for my birthday, and I just love it, and I keep all of the tools that I use quite frequently in it. I made this little sign one day when I was bored. I'm gonna hang it on my door. Here's some paints and pencils, markers. Down below is kind of messy, especially the paper storage and like Barbie packaging area. The totes hold all my Barbie clothes and like mini brands and kitchen accessories. These little drawers hold all of my wood, like popsicle sticks and wood from the Dollar Tree. The top one is kind of random. Here's a close-up of all of the little containers. I got this paper organization rack at Hobby Lobby, and I do like it, but the whole system is not working for me. It ends up looking like this. I would like to come up with a different system. Over here, I just have some random dolls in a bucket and my little surf shack. In this corner, I keep extra tripods or light poles. And then this cabinet in the bottom, I've just got some random doll furniture, and then my Hocus Pocus witches, and just newer Barbie dolls, and then some furniture. On top, I keep some doll boxes, and then I have my little haunted house up there. Oh, I got these Barbie plates at a yard sale. I think they're from the 60s, and I thought they would be cute in the craft room. And I wanted to show you over here next to the big Barbie room. I keep like my foldable, like the backyard and the beach hotel and the trampoline park, the foldable rooms. And lastly, I have a little box over here for stuff I don't plan on keeping that I will let my nieces look through, and then I will donate what they don't want. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.